Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix the Monopoly Go glitch in a few simple steps. First, let's start by clearing the game's cache. This can often fix small bugs or loading issues. On your phone, open Settings. Scroll down and tap on Apps or Applications. Find Monopoly Go from the list and tap on it. Now choose Storage. Then tap on Clear Cache. Do not tap on Clear Data yet, because that would remove your game information. Once the cache is cleared, open Monopoly Go again and check if the glitch is gone. If the problem is still there, the next step is to check for updates. Go to the Play Store if you are using Android, or the App Store if you are on iPhone. Search for Monopoly Go. If you see an update button, tap it and wait for the update to install. After that, open the game again and see if it works normally. If the glitch continues, the last step is to uninstall and reinstall the app. Go back to your phone's home screen. Press and hold the Monopoly Go icon. Select Uninstall or Remove App. Once it is gone, open the Play Store or App Store again. Search for Monopoly Go and reinstall it. After the installation, open the app and sign in with your account to restore your progress. Following these steps should help fix most glitches in Monopoly Go. Thanks for watching.